White label your shop in Inventory Pro, change appearance and brand colors, then start with classic blue, light sidebar, blue buttons, soft gray body. Switch to ocean teal, mint body and teal accents for a fresh retail look. Try Indigo Night, dark indigo sidebar with lavender pages. Bold and modern. See the themed dashboard, KPI cards and NAV match your brand colors. Open products, catalog, filters, and add product use the same Indigo brand Chrome. Then inventory sale, search, product cards, and checkout buttons reflect Indigo too. Forest green for nature brands and eco stores, deep green NAV, soft green body. Rose commerce for fashion and beauty, blush chrome and rose buttons. Slate professional, dark slate NAV and cool gray body for a serious ERP feel. Open POS in that theme, product cards, card, and charge button all follow your brand. Products again in Slate, list rows, stock badges, and action stay on brand. Sales page in Slate, cart totals and complete checkout pick up the Slate blue primary. Customize every color, primary, accent, sidebar, top bar, and page background. Mix wild combinations, purple luxury, sunset orange, midnight neon, make it yours. Custom theme on the dashboard, logo badge and buttons in your colors. Products with your custom palette, every screen stays consistent. Sales with your custom palette, brand colors follow you into checkout. One-click restores classic blue when you want the default Inventory Pro look. Brand the ERP for any shop type across dashboard, products, sales, and POS.